Hello student, welcome back to VEHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher Rasni Dikshit. So we are learning the chapter 7, that is soil. In the previous video, in the previous videos we have learned about the layers of soil, how the soil is formed, and also the types of soil. Okay, so now today in this video, first we have to understand what is gravel. Okay, actually gravel is nothing, it is made up of small stones and pieces of pebbles. Okay, it is basically made up of stones or pieces of pebbles which are seen only in some areas. Okay, not in everywhere. We can only see this gravel in some areas, and these gravel cannot hold water at all. Okay, they don't have the property to hold the water, so that's why uh, these are not good for the plant growth, because for the plant growth water is very important and they cannot hold the water. So what is gravel? Gravel is nothing, it is made up of some small stones and pieces of pebbles. Now we will move for the next topic, that is soil erosion. First, as we all know that soil is very important, a major component for on the earth, because only in the soil plants grow. But nowadays soil erosion has become very important environment problem, and also basically it is a natural process. Soil erosion is a natural process, but in some areas or for some reasons it is man-made. Okay, means also men are harming our soils. So first we have to understand what is soil erosion. Okay, we have to first understand what is soil erosion. Basically, soil erosion is a process for washing and carrying away of soil by the natural forces and man-made causes. Okay, what is the meaning? Again, it is a basically soil erosion is a process for washing and carrying away soil by the water or air. Okay, soil, it is a process. Again, I am repeating, it is a process of for washing and carrying away the soil with the water or air. Okay, basically again I repeat, it is, we can also say that it is a movement of soil from one place to, in the simple language, it is a movement of soil from one place to another place due to water and wind. Okay, however, we human beings also playing a major role in the causing soil erosion. By how? So this question we can ask, how we are responsible for the soil erosion, as the human being are cutting down the forest. Okay, for the agriculture and construction of building roads and dams. So if we are cutting down the forest, that is also the important reason for the soil erosion. And also the overgrazing by animals. Okay, overgrazing, in the simple overeating by the animals also result in soil erosion. Okay, and making the soil unfertile and unproductive. Now there are some effects of soil erosion. We have to talk about some effects of soil erosion. First, it removes the fertile topsoil. Okay, it removes the fertile topsoil. As in the previous video we have learned that the first layer of the soil, that is topsoil, is very important from the for the plant, because it consists humus, and humus make soil more fertile. So in by the soil erosion process, the during the soil erosion, only the topsoil of the soil washed away or carried away by the water or wind. And now second we will talk, it deposits the unwanted sand and other types of soil on fertile soil. Okay, so what happened when the this process take place? So with the fertile soil, some unwanted sand or other types of soil mixes up, which makes the soil unfertile, or okay, unproductive. When the soil erosion takes the place, some unwanted elements like sand and other types of soils are mixed together in the fertile soil, which make the soil unfertile. If next effect we will talk, it makes a land barren. Okay, it makes a land barren because if the fertile topsoil of the layer is washed away, then obvious the soil will not have the layer fertile layer for the plant growth. So it make the land barren and unproductive by removing the humus and other materials. Okay, uh, if the topsoil is washed away, so obvious humus is humus which contains the decaying dead plants and animals will also be washed away. So this is the soil erosion and the effect of soil erosion. Now in the next live class I will again explain this topic. So if you have any doubt till here, means layers of soil, types of soil and soil erosions, then please note down your doubt and ask me your doubt during your live class. So thank you.